Hello guys, welcome to my new video. 2024 Audi R8 Billy Ray Walk. The Audi R8 thundered into the spotlight as the automaker's halo car in 2006 and has served that role dutifully ever since. Although the current model's enchanting V10 engine will likely be discontinued soon, we expect a next generation R8 to boast an electric drivetrain. For now, Audi sends off its mid-engine marvel with a final high-performance GT variant. Collapse all Chevron. What we think Chevron even in its twilight years, the Audi R8 remains a dazzling performance car. As one would expect from a vehicle of this caliber, the R8 boasts incredible grip, power, and a thrilling soundtrack. Needless to say, we're going to miss the second generation R8 when its time is up. When we first tested the updated 2020 R8, we praised it for combining the exotic with the everyday, the cool with the practical, the super with the car. Although the update wasn't a complete rewriting of the R8's formula, the slight changes made Audi's halo car the best it had ever been. Our review of the 2022 Audi R8 V10 Performance RWD had us feeling especially nostalgic for the glory days of high-revving naturally aspirated engines. We enjoyed the Super Coupe's epic handling but couldn't shake our frustration of its sluggish transmission and poorly thought-out dynamic steering system. The optional system alters the steering ratio based on speed, but we found the steering could be unpredictable if we drove too close to the speed where the ratios switch. In all, we remain smitten with the second generation Audi R8. If there ever was a time to buy this high-revving supercar as a daily driver, canyon carver, track rat, or appreciating collectible, the time is now. Performance and fuel economy. Chevron Audi equips every R8 with a 5.2-litre V10 engine paired with a dual-clutch 7-speed automatic transmission. The rear-wheel drive variant develops 562 horsepower and 406 pounds-to-feet of torque. The EPA rates the 2023 Audi R8 Coupe and Spider at 14.23 miles per gallon city, highway. In our testing, the mechanically identical 2022 R8 Performance Coupe blitzed from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds. All-wheel drive Audi R8 models receive more power. The V10 cranks out 602 horsepower and 413 pounds-to-feet of torque. With exceptional launch control, a Euro Spec 2017 Audi R8 V10 Plus blitzed the 0 to 60 miles per hour run in just 2.6 seconds. Fuel economy drops to an EPA-rated 13/18 miles per gallon city, highway. Track Special 2023 Audi R8 GT. Chevron A limited production R8 GT serves as a send-off for Audi's brilliant V10 engine. The mill powers the rear wheels via a new, faster 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and develops the same 602 horsepower and 413 pounds-to-feet of torque as the all-wheel drive version of the R8. Audi claims 0 to 62 miles per hour happens in 3.4 seconds and that 124 miles per hour will arrive in just 10.1 seconds. Top speed is 199 miles per hour. Along with added power, Audi equips a torque rear drive mode that allows the driver to control just how tail-happy the R8 GT is at the track. For full details on the R8 GT, check out our first look review. Safety. Chevron Audi doesn't equip many active driver assistance features. The R8 is limited to automatic high beams and parking sensors. Small batch supercars like the Audi R8 don't typically get a safety rating from the AUDI either. Cargo space and interior room chevron. The Audi R8 doesn't offer much by way of cargo space. The coupe can swallow 8.0 cubic feet, but that figure shrinks to 4.0 cubic feet in the convertible. The Mercedes-AMG GT is a better option for touring, however, with 10.1 cubic feet of cargo space for the coupe and 5.8 cubic feet for the roadster. Technology. Chevron Audi equips the R8 with just one display. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster does double duty as an infotainment unit. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard features, and built-in navigation is also equipped on every R8. Finally, Audi includes a 5-speaker audio system and offers a 13-speaker Bang & Olufsen as an option. Recommended trim. Chevron. The 2023 Audi R8 is a proper supercar even if just equipped with rear-wheel drive. Skipping the more powerful all-wheel drive version frees up $50,000 to explore the options sheet. We like the sound of adding the Sport Exhaust package, Premium package, and Dynamic package with money to spare. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.